The engineer, I know you like what you hear. Ice on my neck, got your bitch off of cocoa when she giving me head. Shawty put it on me, and I got
back with another YouTube video. And as you read by the title, then you already know that today's video is a wig review. I collabed with Ulovewigs. They are 100% human hair. This is how it looks. This is the box that it came in. When it came, I'm thinking like this box is small. Is you sure it's a wig up in here? When you open it, you get this, which is a cap. It comes with 2 in there, and then you also get the wig. That's it. That's really pretty much that's gonna fit in this box. To be honest, it is labeled at the bottom. It says 20-inch and 130 density. We're finna open it together and see what's tea. I usually don't do this color. This color is not me. I don't know. No smell. This is what the lace looks like. The lace is not really all that. I'm not even gonna lie. But this is how it looks. I most definitely might have to bleach this. Don't look bad. It's a cute color and the curl's cute. It's pre-plucked with baby hairs and all that. I'm about to install this wig and see what's the tea. I don't know what style I'm going for. Yeah, we finna get right into this. Boy, I love this.
Jordan, you're so cute.
look. This is the install as y'all watched in the video. I showed you everything that I did. I definitely love this hair. I definitely love the texture, the color, all that. Little thin, but I don't really care for the density, you know what I mean? But I definitely like it. I did go through it and pluck it. Yeah, I put makeup in my part, you already know that. The way this color look on my skin, it is 20 inches, so if y'all want this hair, go get it, sis, period. Go get you a wig from Ulovewigs. My discount code will be right here. That's period. Go get y'all a wig. Yeah, I'm definitely in love with this hair. The shedding is not bad. It really do not shed. I washed it and everything, and I flat ironed it, and when I flat ironed it, I used this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on my social medias. Don't forget to go get you a wig. The website, everything will be in the description box that you need. This exact wig will be in the description box. The website will be in the description box. Their Instagram, everything. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my channel, sis, and that's period.